Hello guys, here Yaiza Melero, welcome to VdanceClub, and this is the class number 5. Today we are going to make a sequence of last 2 videos, so let's do it. Okay, remember the steps: Suzy Q, double Suzy Q, movement lado, and 2 punteo variation, yes? So let's work. We start with the basic 1, 2, and 3, and we practice my muelleo, yes? Again, basic 1, 2, and 3, 5, 6, and 7 go down, yes? And cross in 1, 3 open, Suzy Q, 5, 6, and 7. Okay, look this position. It's very important when you do the Suzy Q double or Suzy Q in 4 times, yes? So basic, 1, 2, and 3, go. Down and cross. Open, Suzy Q. And now go to the right with Suzy in 4 times. 1, 2, 3, and 4, okay? Basic again, and 1, 2, 3, only the steps, 7, and 1, 3, 5, 6, and 7, 1, 3, 5, 6, and 7. Yes? One more time, basic, and 1, 2, and 3, 5, 6, and 7, 1, 3, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 3, 5, 6, and 7. Okay? Now, my movement, remember, my shoulders always rotate. 1, 3, 5, 6, and 7, and Suzy 4 times, shimmy, shimmy. 1, 3, 5, 6, 7. Okay? One more time, basic, and a 1, 2, and 3, go down. In 7, rotate, rotate. 5, 6, 7, shimmy, 1, 3, 5, 6, 7. Okay, remember, relax your arms. Okay, when you do the Suzy in 4 times, shimmy, shimmy. Yes? One more, basic, and a 1, 2, 3, go. 6, 7, 1, 3, 5, 6, 7, and 1, and 3, and 5, 6, 7. Okay? All the time, when I make Suzy, my muelleo is present. Yes? Look. 1, 3, 5, 6, 7, and a 1, and 3, and 5, 6, and 7. Okay? Last time, and we continue. Basic, and a 1, 2, 3, and 1, 3, 5, 6, 7, and 1, and 3, and 5, 6, 7. Okay, from here, we continue with the lado. Remember the movement. 1 and 2, 2, 3. Yes? Again, in 7, from here, go to the lado movement. 6, 7, and now 1, 2, 3. Yes? Look this. 1, 2, 3. Okay, relax in 2. 1, 2, 3. Yes? Again, from here, 7, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, and 3, and now 5, 6, 7, the first variation of punteo. 5, 6, and 7, okay? 5, 6, transfer your way, and tap. In 8, yes? Again, lado, from 7, 7, 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7, 8, okay? One more. In 7 from here, yes. 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? To this side, from 7, 5, 6, and 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? Your shoulders, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay? Left, right, left, and stop. Yes, one more. Left, right, left, and stop. And your hands follow this movement. Yes? 1, 2, 3. Okay, basic movement always. From the top, basic, and 1, 2, 3, 5. Going 7 down, 1, 3, 5, 6, 7, and a 1, and 3, and 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes, one more. Basic, and 1, 2, 3. Go. 6, 7. 1, and 3, and 5, 6, and 7, and 1, and 3, and 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. Last time, basic, and 1, 2, 3, go. 6, 7, 1, 3, 5, 6, 7, and 1, and 3, and 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes. One more time. When you do the Susie, my legs together. Yes? No, open. 1, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 3, 5. Yes? You very strong and together always. See? One more and continue. Basic. 1, 2, 3. Go. And 1, 3, 5, 6, 7. And 1, and 3, and 5, and 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. And now, okay, second variation of punteo. Go forward and go back. 1, 2, 3, 4, and now back. 5, 6, 7, and 8. Remember, cross, open, and now back, cross, open, okay? Cross forward, and cross back, yes? One more. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. Okay, the movement. Important. No, move only your shoulders. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 again. Yes? Now, I want that you move your chest, okay? Go out and in, out and in, out and in, out and in. Again, out, in, out, in, out, in, out, in. And now with your shoulder, out, in, right and left. Yes? So with the punteo variation, when you cross, your chest go in. 1 and open. When you rotate, again, cross, open and cross, open and cross, open. Yes? One more. 5, 6, 7 from 8 and 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6 and 7 and 8. Okay? And finish with a turn left. 1, 2 and 3 and 5, 6, 7. Okay? One more. 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7. Turn 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Okay, to this side, from 8, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, and 7. Yes? Okay, from the top, all steps together. Basic, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, down, 1, and 3, and 5, 6, 7, and 1, and 3, and 5, 6, and 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, E, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, turn, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Okay, one more, basic, 1, 2, and 3, go, 6, 7, 1, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, and 3, and 5, and 7, and 1, 2, and 3, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and a 1, 2, 3, 6, 7. Okay, last time to this side and then with music. Basic, 1, 2, 3, go. 6, 7, 1, 2, 5, 6, 7, 1, 3. Again. Basic, 1, 2, 3, go. 6, 7, 1, and 2, cha, cha, cha. Shimmy, 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 shimmy. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and turn 2, 3 with music. Go, guys.
Hey, hey, ¿qué tal?
Okay, you're my yo. 1, 1. Yes, remember the second video. 1, 2, 3.
Vamos a coger un 10, vamos a pasarla bien. Que esto está bueno, esto está súper ok. Vamos a coger un 10. ¡Ay, nada más! Vamos a pasarla bien. Hey, 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 wow. Hey, 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 wow. Filosofía de la vida. Anthony, protagonista el corazón de novela. Dígale adiós a la tristeza porque al amor no le interesa y la que manda es la razón. Oh, oh, oh. Hey, 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 wow. Vaya toro.
Daisy.
Hey, 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 wow.
Go.
El año ya se está acabando, el 17 se fue y hace un ratico comenzó. Óyelo bien, el tiempo siempre va volando y uno no sabe hasta cuándo es que le toca estar aquí. Por eso manda la razón, tranquilo, pa' que no te vuelvas loco. Por eso manda la razón, hay que estar sereno, ahí ya que meter el coco. Suave, suave, esto es poquito a
Okay,
poco.
guys, remember, it's very important your basic movement always. Okay, practice more, and thank you, and see you the next class.